In the stillness of hidden wetlands, nature created a flower so delicate it appears frozen in flight.
This is the white egret orchid, a rare flower whose petals perfectly mimic a white egret taking flight.
Every curve resembles feathers in motion, crafted with astonishing precision by millions of years of evolution.
Thriving only in delicate wetlands and humid grasslands, this orchid survives in ecosystems as fragile as the flower itself.
Its elegant shape is more than beauty. It guides pollinators with precision, ensuring survival through the seasons. In nature, even flowers can appear alive, waiting quietly for the moment they finally take flight.